Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegan lasagna. First, make sure you have all your fresh vegetables and plant-based ingredients ready to go. Preheat your oven to a comfortable 375 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it is perfectly warmed for later. Grab a sturdy 9 by 13-inch baking dish. It is the ideal size for a generous lasagna. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable for everyone. For a rich vegan ricotta, combine 16 ounces of firm tofu with 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of dried Italian herbs in a food processor until smooth. Next, begin your hearty tomato sauce by sautéing 1 diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in olive oil for about 5 minutes. Stir in 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, then season it well with 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Begin the layering process by spreading approximately 1 cup of your rich tomato sauce evenly across the bottom of your 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Carefully place a single layer of no-boil lasagna noodles on top of the sauce, ensuring they cover the entire surface. Follow this with half of your homemade vegan ricotta mixture, spreading it smoothly. Then, add another cup of sauce, and, if desired, a generous sprinkle of shredded vegan mozzarella, continuing these layers until all ingredients are used. To bake your magnificent vegan lasagna, cover the dish tightly with aluminum foil and place it into your preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake it for approximately 25 minutes to ensure it heats through evenly. After that initial bake, remove the foil and continue baking for another 20 minutes, allowing the top to become beautifully golden brown and bubbly. It is crucial to let your lasagna rest for 10 to 15 minutes after baking. This helps it set properly, preventing it from falling apart when you slice into it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.